Hi, in this session we're going to learn how to set up inspection plans. If I'm logged in as the Inspect Manager, you see right here inspection plans. We already went over the operators, the measurement units and the sampling plans. So now let's look at the inspection plans. As you can see, I already have several inspection plans right here because you can have as many as you want. Those are basically your templates where you're going to set up, if I'm using this inspection plan, I need to inspect several things. So let's go in here and click on Add New, and we click on Inspection Plan. And again, we give it a name. Let me call it Inspection Plan 3, and then you save it. Now you see that inspection plan listed right here. So I'm going to drill back to it, and you see right here inspection plan 3, and of course again we can give it a description. I'm going to just do the same description right here. And now I'm going to create which tests I need to do when I use this inspection plan. So I'm going to click Add Test. So let me call it test 1. So keep it simple for you. So my first test is an attribute test. Okay? So let me say my approval target got to be 100. But of course, you can change that. You maybe say my approval target is only 90% or whatsoever. It's totally up to you. Again, what you set it up, what fits your company, what fits your process. So I'm going to say this is my approval target, and let me say this is an attribute test. And what you have available is pass or failed. I'm just going to put in there pass and fail also. You, of course, can put in there whatever you would like. And I'm going to say, hey, if you choose failed, I want you to actually add a defect. Meaning, I need you to choose from certain defects. So when you say it failed in this inspection plan 5, you need to choose one of those 3 defects. Does that make sense? You can always create new defects, and you actually are the one who sets up from which defects the user actually can choose from. Okay, so I'm going to click confirm, and you see there is 3 defects right here. Okay, so they have to choose from one of those 3 defects. Of course, I can put another attribute, maybe another pass, maybe another failed, or you also have manual. So this is like kind of a maybe. This is just something I like it because it gives you more flexibility. Maybe this is a maybe just for your information. And again, you can create another defect. And you, of course, you can add a new defect for this one, and they can only choose from this one. But of course, again, as I said earlier, you can say, okay, they maybe have to choose from those 3 defects if they choose maybe, because then it really didn't pass. Maybe you need to check something else. Okay, so now let's add another test. So I'm gonna click add. I'm gonna call it test 2 to keep it simple for you. My approval target is 100. And now I'm going to say this is a variable test. And now you will see here are my measurement units. This is why you set those up. What do you need to do your quality control, your inspection orders? Okay, let's use liters. Well, I think I did millimeters, right? When we set it up. So those are millimeters, and I'm gonna say the desired is 10 millimeters at the minimum. The desired is actually 12, and my maximum is 13. Okay, actually let's do 11 here. Okay, and then I'm gonna click save. If I'm done, those are all the tests I need for my inspection plan 5. I'm done. But of course, you can keep going and add more tests. You can maybe add another attribute test or another variable test. You can keep going. You do what you need, okay? In my case, I'm just gonna do those two. It gives you a good idea, and I'm going to click Save. Once I click Save, you see right here, there is my inspection plane 3. I'm gonna open it up, and it's ready to go to be used.